In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a still photo in Canva. Animating images is a fantastic way to make your designs more engaging and dynamic. Whether you're crafting a presentation, spicing up a social media post, or simply exploring your creativity, knowing how to animate a photo can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your design in Canva. If you haven't already, sign into Canva and open a new or existing project where you'd like to add your animated photo. Once you've uploaded your image or chosen one from Canva's extensive library, go ahead and click on that image to select it. You'll notice that once an image is selected, a variety of options become available to you. Next, look towards the top of your screen and find the Animate button. This is your gateway to bringing your photo to life. Give it a click and you'll see a menu of animation effects pop up on the side. This menu offers a range of animations tailored to fit different styles and vibes. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You have everything from simple fades and bounces to more elaborate effects. Now, decide on which animation suits your project's needs best. Selecting an animation is a creative choice, and Canva provides a real-time preview to help with this decision. Simply hover over each option to see a quick visual of how your image will appear with that effect applied. For this tutorial, let's take the ink animation as an example. Once you click on an animation like ink, you'll notice the preview updates instantly to showcase what your image looks like with this effect. You can always change it later, so don't worry about experimenting with a few different styles. If everything looks perfect and aligns with your vision, you're almost done. However, if you'd like to make further adjustments, Canva allows you to customize the duration and intensity of the animations depending on the specific effect you've chosen. Just play around with these settings until you're satisfied with the result. Once you've set your animation, give it a once over by playing your design to ensure it animates just the way you want it. If everything looks good, you're ready to finalize your design. When you're happy with your creation, simply download or share your animated photo as required. Canva offers multiple formats such as gifs or video files that preserve your animation. And there you have it, you've successfully animated a still photo in Canva. This simple yet powerful tool opens doors to countless creative possibilities. Practice with different animations and soon you'll find yourself mastering these captivating effects in no time. Thanks for watching and happy designing.